Just my personal opinion, the Adidas Forum Low, it doesn't get enough love, so let's show it some with this brand new pickup and a lace swap. The Adidas Forum Low has been around since the 1980s, but this time Adidas took a little bit of a turn with this specific Forum Exhibit Low. So in terms of the materials, 20% of the pieces used to actually make the upper are used with a minimum of 50% recycled content. So they're on their sustainability, they're making the effort, and I love it. The Halo Amber colorway will consist of Cloud White, Cream White, and Halo Amber. You have a mostly leather upper, but also nubuck material as well, as you see along the back heel and then along the split toe box in the front. I love the color combination here. I think they play so well together, especially for the spring. The insole will also feature the Halo Amber colorway, and then we have the basic Forum Low outsole, so nothing special there. It more so has to do with the color combination, but I needed to switch this up a little bit, so I decided to relace my pair with thicker rope laces. Now, it helps to loosen the actual eyelets to fit the laces through the individual holes, because these will be thicker than the laces that come dead stock with the shoe. These specific laces are 54 inches total. I probably will go more so with the 45-inch length for any future relace options I do, which I fully intend to do with my other Forum Low. So please be sure to comment your thoughts below. And the Halo Amber Forum Exhibit Low is available on sale right now on Adidas.com. See, brand new pickup, that's right, the Warriors micro pendant from Gold Shop. I fell in love as soon as I saw it. I love that it's just enough. It's doing just enough, okay? Got to shine a little bit for the team. Doing well, 3-0 in the playoffs. You guys know I am beyond excited, and it was definitely another pool party.
I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see. Yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and stay.
What's going on, everybody? It's your girl TJ back. Another video on Talks with TJ, and we're going over another Adidas Forum Low. This time, the Forum Exhibit Low. And side note, it's actually still available right now on Adidas, and it's on sale for $80. It's originally priced at $100, but right now it's on sale for $80. So I would take advantage if you're interested in the Halo Amber colorway. It just screams spring and summer. I love everything about it. I really love the design approach where it's actually split in different parts to allow the colors to really stand out on their own. So they take a break from the traditional paneling, or I should say color blocking, that you would see on Forum Lows, and they gave us this in the Halo Amber colorway. It's beautiful. It's amazing. I remember the first time I saw it, it actually might have been on a Jalen Green post, but Jalen wasn't wearing them. It was somebody else in the photo wearing them, and they blew me away. They really stuck in my mind. And so true story, I picked these up during that whole weekend where I took an L on New Balance on that 550 Conversations Amongst Us, and I went to eBay. So my pair was actually purchased off eBay for the same price, lucky enough. So I actually paid $80 on eBay plus $20 for shipping, so it came out to be $100, which is the retail price. I was searching on Adidas to hopefully buy it from there for retail, but my size was gone. So they've done a full size restock, which is really nice. Again, for anyone viewing this video right now, this weekend, if you're interested, go ahead, enjoy the Halo Amber colorway. And I decided to do something a little bit different with this pair. That's right, a lace swap. I'm a really big fan of the Forum Low itself, and I actually have to limit myself of not going after just any Forum Low that I may see that comes out. It usually catches my eye whenever they throw suede as well on there, especially on the toe box. I'm a sucker for it. I really want it, but I'm trying to just, I got some goals I'm trying to hit. I actually just hit one, so just before filming this video, made the final payment on a student loan, so I'm free and clear of another one. I only have 3 left to my name, and then I'm 100% free and clear. Light at the end of the tunnel, it is right there. But yeah, when it comes to the Forum Low, listen, I would love to have, honestly, as many of those as I do Jordan 1s, and this is just another side note. I'm actually kind of I don't know. I don't know if it's just I'm not really excited about a whole lot of Jordan 1s that I see coming out. When it comes to the lows, I definitely prefer the OG silhouette. So that's just where I stand right now. I think forums are catching my attention more than anything right now, which is a good thing because they're more readily available. Sometimes my size is a little difficult to find because I would do a men's 6 or a 6.5, but I'm still on the hunt for them. So I decided to remix this one with thicker rope laces. Now, I'm sure you've seen this trend going around where people will swap in the regular flat laces or just traditional round laces for the thicker rope laces, and you can get them from any number of places. I got mine from Soul Tide, and I believe I got the thicker option of all of them available, 54 inches. I definitely could have gone with 45 and been just fine, but with 54 inches in length, and I went with the off-white or sail colorway. I just thought that would really make this pair pop. You could also get white and black on there, I'm pretty certain, but I like the rope trend. I've seen it done also on the jumbo swoosh, so blazer low. So if you're interested in trying it out with that, by all means, go right ahead. That was actually my intention. If I pick up the jumbo blazer low, I think I'll actually go ahead and swap in the rope laces, but did a lace swap. Absolutely love it. So let's take a look at 2 simple ways how I style this pair and the on foot. The first look, ready for spring and summer. I'm not the biggest fan of hot weather, but you know, I can at least show off the kicks. So I'm wearing the brand new Forum Exhibit Low in the Halo Amber colorway with the classic 3-stripe socks, a shorter pair of American Eagle denim in white, and then also an oversized H&M shirt in more of that peach and white colorway. So I think it's perfect, allows me to breathe, be a little bit cooler. And in terms of sizing, this is actually a 6, so this is true to size for my foot, but I tend to go up a half size sometimes, so you can go true to size or maybe even try up a half size in the Forum Low. My personal thoughts, the distressed look is perfect for the lace swap in this Forum Low. So I'm rocking my favorite American Eagle super distressed denim, very loose fitting and comfortable, and then another super distressed airy crew neck from a while ago and a new fitted. Off your thoughts on the Halo Amber colorway, the exhibit design on the Forum Low, as well as the lace swap I chose to do. Have you done this lace swap with any rope laces within pairs you own? If so, which pair? And if not, are you now interested in trying that? Go ahead, again, comment below. Really appreciate you guys tuning into this video. As always, act your age, not your shoe size. Peace.